Safiyyah and I took on the project of building beds for our graywater system. We used wood we found on family land. We walked through all sorts of brush and dug through a huge pile of what many call scraps. But we found all sorts of treasures. We also found old pallets on our family land. But first, we had to make a path to get to them. Now you may know who that is. Sully Williams, owner of Carnival Beats. He's produced big hits for Mike Jones,
shades up on my braids when I escalade. When I'm riding spree wheel sliding like a escapade.
Paul Wall,
and I'm paid, plus I'm sitting sideways.
and Latasha Lee. Sully is also building on the family land and saw that we needed a little help getting to the pallets. I'll admit, we weren't very optimistic at first. But in the end,
you got that done?
Oh, yeah.
Woo! Uh-huh. Safiyyah, come on over here. What is that you were whispering?
I sort of said, I don't think this is going to work.
But
look at this!
Yeah.
we left the heavy lifting to the younger generation. The goal is to make 2 5x5 beds for the graywater system, all from wood that's been in the family for decades.
My mother and my father went to stores, lumber yards, and bought this wood to build structures on their property. And they did it all by themselves. And that was like 65 years ago.
We got the usable wood together, loaded up the back of the truck, drove it over to an open area, and got to work. We cut the bigger pieces 5 feet long. That'll be the sides of the beds.
First cuts.
They're even.
They're even, yeah.
Good job.
We did it.
All right, let's keep it moving.
The smaller pieces will work for the restraints. But first, all of these nails must come out.
But you know
But
what?
some were tougher than others.
Tell him now you can't let him win.
No, you can't.
Can't you angle it like this?
I'm trying. It's thick. It's a big nail. Yep. All right, yeah. We probably, you know what? We're gonna leave it there.
Back up and get home. This nail is stronger than me.
It's coming. Come on, put your feet. Yeah,
Put your back into it.
Put your back into it. It doesn't want to. We might need him.
Okay, let's try.
He's loose. I just.
Got it.
Okay, now we're ready to make some progress. We made 2 entire beds from scraps that were left for dead and that are now being used for life. It's the heart of our gray water system, where everything will flow out.
So what we're going to do is, here's all the outs for the gray water. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this trough to help clean the gray water. So the gray water will go in here and we'll grow, you know, plants and so forth to help clean the water.
In the meantime,
It's about to be a project, y'all.
Okay, there's.
We're working on our countertops.
Let's cut, because I'm about to choke her.
Yes, that's how the day started. But things quickly turned around as Safiyyah saw progress and a little love from family.
I think it's right. I think circular.
Oh my God.
That is pretty.
Let me know when y'all need more. Oh my God, look at those colors coming.
Looking good together.
Yeah, I like you guys.